Hi guys, today I'll try to explain why you should be very careful in health insurance plans which have a sublimit or capping on, say, the room rent. To reduce the premiums on health insurance plans, some companies introduce a capping on their certain heads, like let's say a capping on the room rent figure. So you could have a plan which has a cover of 3 lakhs, but there is a capping on the room rent which could be 2% of the 3 lakh or the amount of cover that you have. So why do insurance companies have this capping in their health insurance plan? So the basic idea is to encourage you to go in for a slightly more affordable option in terms of the room which you select. Some hospitals might have quite a luxurious offerings in terms of the room availability. You could have a standard single room, it could be a shared room, or it could be a slightly more posh, 5-star-ish kind of a room. To prevent you from actually spending too much on them, the insurance companies introduce these caps. And in return, the insurance companies lower the annual premium so that the plan can be pretty competitive compared to other insurance companies. So here's my take on this piece. I really don't have an issue with insurance companies imposing this cap. It would be best if the buyer knows what they're buying in. The worrying part is when they actually are hit with a surprise and they're not aware of this clause. And when they make a claim, they realize that, oh my God, I didn't really expect this. So please read the policy document or the document called the policy wordings, which will have this very clearly mentioned. As a consumer, you have other options also with plans which do not have a room rent capping, and it will come at a different price point. So you can actually go in for any other plan from any other insurance company. So at least know what you're buying into. Now there is a much more worrying part to these room rent cappings which are there. And that is this. Most of your other medical expenses are now linked to this capping. And that can actually pose quite a big problem for you if you don't really understand how it works. So let me explain how this really works and could impact you in quite a negative way. Suppose you have a plan of 3 lakhs and it has a room rent capping of 2%. So you're actually now eligible for a plan or a room which can have a room rent of 6,000 rupees per day. Suppose you choose to go in for a room whose rent is rupees 7,500 per day. So what you would assume is, in case you're admitted for 5 days, that the balance 7,500 minus 6,000 into 5 days. So 1,500 into 5 days, you'd be expecting to pay 7,500 from your own pocket, which you sort of are okay with. Now what really happens that the other medical expenses are also linked to this. So suppose you've busted, you're eligible for 6,000, you went in for 7,500. So you are actually now going to get paid only 80% of all medical expenses. 6,000 divided by 7,500 is 80%. So all your medical expenses will now get paid only to the extent of 80%. That can now burn quite a big hole in your pocket. So this is my advice. Read the policy document and the policy wordings, and please know what plan you're buying into. I hope this was useful. If you need any further information on this part, please drop in a comment and we will be happy to help you with it. Oh yes, and do share it with your friends if you think it will be useful for them.